What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. As you can see in the background here, got my car under cover because the rain has been quite crazy here in Cape Town the past few weeks. I've got a few more bespoke prototyping products to test out on my car, so I'm going to sit you guys down, get this cover off my car and show you exactly what we're working with. Let's get to it. Right, so as you can see, the cover's off the car, still nice and clean and nice and dry, which was the main goal of having that cover on. So the product that I have to now put on my car today is actually some Bespoke Prototyping branded indicator covers for the Mark 1 Golfs. These Bespoke Prototyping indicator covers, as you saw in the short snippet there, I do have the Hello ones currently installed, so I'm quickly going to put these ones on and show you what it looks like. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm super chuffed how those indicator covers came out. I personally prefer obviously my own branded ones, and I really don't mind running them. The black Halo ones that I have, I'm going to donate to my friend Emil. I'm actually heading there this evening. We always have a bra on a Friday, so I'm going to head through to him this evening and we're going to install that on his car either this evening or tomorrow. But during the day today, I also got some more goodies for him, which I'll show you a bit later on in the video. There's something special we've been cooking up together, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love it. It's also 3D printing related, but I'm yet to see anything else like it on the market at the moment. So stick around and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. For now, I do have one more product that I have to test. It's a double gauge pod that goes in front of the gear lever in a new spec dash, and it houses two 52mm gauges. Quickly gonna unlock my car, show you guys what I'm talking about, and I'll take you guys through the process that I go through when I check the fitment on all the new products that I make. Stick around, we're gonna get straight to it. Alright guys, so this is the gauge pod that I'm referring to. Just threw one of my spare 52mm gauges in it, a short flat one, and it sits in this location right here where the ashtray is, or the storage tray is, above your gear lever in a new spec Mark 1. So what I'm going to do now, I'll move you guys so you can see what I'm doing. What I'll do is I'll pull out the storage tray, check this, check if it fits all nicely, and I'll give you guys my feedback. Right, there we go. I think we got it set up. Let me take my hand sanitizer out of here. So this gauge pod is just designed to replace this little area here. So we're going to pop that one out. I'll just feed the back end of the gauge wires in there. make sure it's the right way around. So now at the moment, what I want to check is how nicely it clips into this area, and once it's clipped, how secure it is. So I've got the one side in at the moment. I'm just going to ease this side in. Boom. That's what we go for every time. Nice and solid. I'm super happy with that. You guys don't really have a lacquer angle now. I'll grab you in a second, show you exactly how this looks. My final feedback on it, honestly, could not be happier, and I actually do already have one customer already waiting for this. So let me grab you guys, I'll show you exactly how it looks. Let me show you how this looks. Ooh, looks absolutely phenomenal. I couldn't be happier with that. It's more for the guys who run air setups, but you can fit any 52mm gauge in there. As you can see, I've got a water temperature gauge in there just for it to be mocked up. But I'm so happy with how this fits, how it sits in there, colors, everything. I would consider that a final product and ready to be shipped out. I almost forgot to show you guys this little cell phone mount that I've made here. This one is specifically to fit my Note 20 Ultra, but I'm pretty sure it will fit most other phones. But works perfectly for Google Maps. Just uses some double-sided tape to sit there, and as you can imagine, while you're driving, you get to see your Google Maps and whatever else you need to see right in front of you. Nice and simple. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you think it's a useful gadget? To me, definitely. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so I don't really have much work left to do on my car today. I do just need to pump the tires up before I head out this evening to go to the braai. But quickly I'm going to show you what I picked up for Emil's Velocity this afternoon. It's got a 1.6 Velocity, but we are planning to do a 2-litre 8-valve conversion in the upcoming weekend. So this whole plan will soon come together while you watch this video series. I have already wired his dictator. I got one of the final plugs today. I will make an entire video on how to wire dictator management for MP9/2-litre 8-valve setup, and I'll run you through all the wiring, what wires you need, what plugs you need, and all those kind of things. So we actually made a 3D printed Velocity stack that fits inside the spotlight hole of the City Golf dual light grille. At the moment, the standard airbox won't really work. We found the perfect filter, which I have on my Mark III. It's just one of these little carbon fiber cone filters. Got it at Chinatown today. Comes with an entire kit, 2 silicone couplers, 2 T-hose clamps, the main clamp for the body of the filter, and this extendable intake that will now run from the front Velocity stack that's in the grill to the front of this filter, and then this filter will go into the standard intake pipe of an MP9 system. I also got the final plug today. I don't know if you guys can see there. It's for an MP9 3-pin ignition coil. That's the last plug I needed to finish up his wiring. If you guys want, I'll take you through the initial setup of the dictator and all those kind of things. But for the time being, as I said, don't have much to do on my car. Quickly gonna pump my tires. Then when I head out this evening, I'll bring you guys along and we can go for a nice drive along Bloberg beachfront. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. what's up everyone? So, just got to Emil's house. Here he is. We're quickly gonna go down to my car and I'm gonna give him his intake and we're gonna get his reaction because he hasn't seen it yet. Let's do this. What do you reckon?
This one came out so smooth.
Yeah dude, better settings. Yes, let's go take a look, and I'll put those indicator covers in there for you as well.
Oh, dude, tomorrow it's workshop time.
Yeah,
Austin
dude.
Furious.
There's all our lekker braai meat for tonight. Okay, let's see what you think of this intake.
The goods. Oh my god. Yo, no, this is proper legit.
Lekker carbon fiber.
Proper legit. Gonna make some big noises. Can't wait. This is going on the 2 liter. That's coming. It's on its way. Oh, and some hella light covers. For the indicators, dude. It's gonna be prime.
And the plug for your dictator's also in there.
Oh, there's an in there as well. Oh yeah, I see. There's 2 in here.
Yeah, one's an extra one for me.
Dude, thank you so much, Mr. Rossi. This thing someone comes with all the pipes and fittings and everything.
Everything to fit straight on, dude.
Dude, this thing's going on tomorrow.
Definitely.
Bro, some legit clamps as well. Not even like shitty clamps.
So guys, there you saw, Emil just got his intake, super stoked with it. We're not going to put it on this evening because we're going to braai. I'll take some videos, show you guys the fire and all that kind of stuff a bit later. But tomorrow morning, we're going to record and we're going to fit this thing to his car and we're going to take it for a drive. We can show you how the new velocity stack performs.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. Hold up. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Let's get it. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to top it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping.
Sending emojis, I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's OB. least. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She bust it open for a real. Stay timed up, tryna build it up, tryna count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's the meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking slow. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy. Watch me isolate, whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mama.